Imagine having the power to absorb knowledge faster, complete assignments with ease, and actually enjoy learning in ways you never thought possible. What if the secret to academic success wasn't staying up late memorizing textbooks or drowning in notes, but something far smarter, something that learns with you, adapts to you, and helps you achieve your goals more efficiently? Today, we're diving into the world of AI tools that are transforming the way students learn, study, and succeed. Tools that could change the way you approach education forever. Learning has always been a journey full of challenges. The late nights spent staring at textbooks, the endless hours trying to memorize facts, the frustration when concepts just don't click. These experiences are universal. But we're standing on the edge of something new. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's becoming a powerful companion for students, one that can take the chaos of studying and turn it into something structured, personalized, and even enjoyable. The beauty of AI lies in its adaptability. Unlike traditional study aids, which are one-size-fits-all, AI tools can tailor themselves to your pace, your strengths, and even your weaknesses. They can analyze how you learn best, identify where you struggle, and offer resources that target those exact gaps. It's like having a personal tutor who never tires, who's available anytime, and who can adjust their teaching style to suit you perfectly. Consider this. Every student has faced the challenge of managing time. There's always too much to do and too little time. Assignments pile up, exams loom, and the pressure can feel overwhelming. AI can help here too. Some tools can generate study schedules that adapt dynamically. If you spend more time on one topic than expected, the system recalibrates your plan to make sure you stay on track. This might sound futuristic, but it's already happening, and it changes the game because the struggle isn't about time anymore, it's about learning efficiently. But efficiency is just the beginning. Imagine asking a question and getting an answer that's not only accurate, but explained in a way you actually understand. Some platforms do exactly that. They don't just regurgitate information, they break it down, provide examples, even create visual aids to help concepts stick. Take complex subjects like physics or economics. Traditional textbooks can be dense and dry, leaving students more confused than enlightened. AI, on the other hand, can generate simplified explanations, step-by-step problem-solving guides, or real-world analogies that make even the trickiest concepts feel approachable. It's not about replacing teachers, it's about augmenting your ability to grasp knowledge faster, giving you a deeper understanding without the frustration. We're also seeing AI revolutionize the way students practice and retain information. Flashcards and quizzes have been staples of learning for decades, but AI takes them to a new level. Imagine a system that tracks which questions you struggle with and automatically generates similar challenges until you master them. It can even vary the difficulty based on your progress, keeping you in a zone where you're always challenged but never overwhelmed. Some reports suggest that this adaptive learning can dramatically increase retention, meaning you remember more with less effort. The impact isn't just academic. Learning with AI can reduce stress. When your study sessions are guided, focused, and tailored to you, the anxiety of "am I doing this right?" begins to fade. You gain a sense of control over your education, which is something every student craves. And as confidence grows, so does curiosity. Suddenly, learning becomes less of a chore and more of a journey you actually enjoy. Now, you might be wondering, are these tools really practical for everyday student life? Can AI actually fit into the messy, unpredictable schedules of real students? The answer is yes, and in ways that might surprise you. For instance, AI writing assistants have become increasingly sophisticated. They can help you draft essays, organize ideas, or refine arguments. Some platforms even suggest ways to strengthen your thesis or improve clarity, acting almost like a personal editor who understands academic expectations. This isn't cheating, it's guidance. It's like having a mentor who helps you express your ideas more clearly and professionally. And it doesn't stop there. AI-powered research tools can scan thousands of articles, papers, and resources in seconds, finding relevant information you might have missed in hours of searching. Imagine the difference between spending an entire evening combing through sources versus getting a curated list of reliable materials in moments. The time saved is enormous, but the depth of learning can actually improve because you're focusing on understanding rather than hunting. Beyond academics, AI can also enhance creativity. Tools that assist with brainstorming, problem solving, or project planning allow students to explore ideas in ways they might not have considered. For students in design, coding, or content creation, AI can generate suggestions, prototypes, or simulations that accelerate learning by doing. Some reports suggest that this kind of hands-on experimentation helps reinforce knowledge far more effectively than passive studying alone. Even in collaborative learning environments, AI has a role. Group projects often come with their own challenges, coordinating schedules, managing tasks, and ensuring every member contributes. AI can streamline communication, track progress, and even suggest ways to divide work efficiently. It's almost like having a project manager built into your study group, keeping everything organized without adding stress. Let's not ignore another critical aspect: accessibility. AI tools have the potential to democratize learning, making high-quality resources available to students everywhere, regardless of location or circumstance. For students in areas with limited educational resources, AI can provide guidance, practice, and mentorship that might otherwise be inaccessible. It's a reminder that technology isn't just about convenience, it can be about opportunity. But it's also important to approach this responsibly. AI isn't infallible. While it can provide guidance, it doesn't replace critical thinking or the value of human insight. Students still need to evaluate information, question assumptions, and develop their own understanding. In fact, the most effective learning happens when AI complements human effort rather than substituting for it. Think of it as a tool that amplifies your abilities, not a shortcut around them. Pause for a moment and imagine your own educational journey. What if every concept that once felt intimidating suddenly became approachable? What if every late-night cram session could be replaced with focused, productive study that actually sticks? For many students, AI is beginning to make this a reality. The tools exist, and they are evolving at a pace that's astonishing, yet quietly accessible. Some students even report that using AI reshapes their mindset about learning itself. Instead of seeing education as a series of hurdles, they start to view it as a process of exploration, problem-solving, and growth. And that mindset, more than any grade or score, can shape long-term success. AI also encourages a more personalized approach to education. Traditional classrooms often have to move at a pace that suits the majority, leaving some students behind and others unchallenged. With AI, you set your own rhythm. You can spend extra time on topics that are difficult for you, accelerate through material you understand quickly, and even explore areas outside your curriculum that spark your curiosity. Learning becomes less about fitting into a mold and more about discovering what works best for you. Imagine a student struggling with a complex concept in chemistry. With AI, they can revisit explanations multiple times, try interactive simulations, and receive instant feedback. Compare that to traditional methods where misunderstandings might persist until the next class. This immediacy can make a profound difference in confidence and mastery. And the potential for growth extends beyond academics. Skills like time management, organization, and problem solving are reinforced naturally when students use AI tools effectively. A system that helps you structure your study time or prioritize tasks teaches lessons that go far beyond the classroom. These are life skills that can shape productivity, focus, and decision-making long after graduation. Yet the most exciting aspect might be how AI sparks curiosity. When students see that knowledge can be accessed, explored, and understood in innovative ways, it encourages them to ask bigger questions, explore deeper topics, and push the boundaries of their own learning. The process becomes as important as the outcome, creating a cycle of continuous improvement that feels rewarding rather than punishing. As we think about the future of education, one thing becomes clear. AI is not just a tool. It's a partner, a guide, and a catalyst for growth. It invites students to reimagine what learning can be, transforming challenges into opportunities and obstacles into stepping stones. And perhaps the most profound realization is that the future of learning is already here, quietly empowering those willing to embrace it. So, as you consider your own path, ask yourself this: how could your educational journey change if you have a tool that adapts to you, understands your needs, and amplifies your strengths? The possibilities are both exciting and inspiring, and the journey has only just begun. If this exploration of AI tools for student success sparked your curiosity, take a moment to reflect on how you could apply these ideas to your own learning. And if you found value in this video, support the channel by hitting that like button, subscribing for more insights into how technology is shaping our world, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us about your experiences, the tools you've tried, or the ways you think AI could transform learning. Because education is evolving, and the conversation is just getting started.